When you hear the word waves, your mind probably goes to the ocean and how it laps upon sandy beaches. But this is just one example of a wave. There are radio waves, sound waves, light waves. Even the Earth's gravity can be represented as a wave. A wave is a disturbance that transmits information, energy, or momentum, but not mass. A wave is defined as a disturbance that is transmitted through a medium. Since there are so many different types of waves, it helps to categorize them to understand them. Waves are generally categorized by two main things. One, its ability to move through a vacuum, also known as empty space. Or two, the direction the wave moves. Electromagnetic waves are waves that can travel through a vacuum. They are created as a result of vibrations between an electric and a magnetic field. All light waves are electromagnetic. Mechanical waves are waves that cannot travel through a vacuum. They require a medium to transport energy from one place to another. Without a medium, these waves cannot exist. Sound waves, for example, are mechanical waves. In a transverse wave, particles move perpendicularly to the direction that the wave moves. In a longitudinal wave, particles move parallel to the direction of the wave. To showcase our knowledge of waves, we made a wave machine. Our wave machine is simple, cost-effective, and shows you how waves move. To build our machine, we use Sour Patch Kids, bamboo skewers, and duct tape. Just like building the machine, using the machine is simple. Just give one of the Sour Patch Kids a pulse. Different sized pulses result in different sized waves. For more information about our project, visit our website